Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys an adorable 4x4 little mini album I created using some scraps I had left over from the Best Summer Ever collection kit. If you guys saw my previous videos, I made 3 traveler's notebooks using this collection, and I had some little bits of scraps left over. I didn't have a lot, but I knew I wanted to make something and try really hard to come up with something, so that's exactly what I did. And guys, I still ended up with a couple of teeny little pieces of scraps left over, but that's it. I used some stickers in here because I wanted to decorate a little bit, so I definitely got to use some stickers. It's definitely not everything, but you know, it's a little something. And I want to show you guys this cutie because it's just so adorable. So let's get started. So I'm gonna have this collection kit linked down below if I could find it for you guys, and I'll show you guys, well, I'll have it linked. So this album, I have made 4x4 style sized albums before, and I do have a tutorial on my channel, which I'll link down below. This one, while it's similar, it's different because I didn't have enough paper to do it exactly the way that I made it before. So take that other tutorial and then use your scraps to make it your own. What I like to do is paper clip all my papers just to make sure I'm gonna have enough with whatever flip outs I choose to make. So I'll make like a flip out, but I don't attach it yet. I'll paper clip it, then I'll cut like a piece of paper for it and make sure everything will work just fine. Just so I'm not like scrambling for paper last second, and that way I'm just using the scraps that I do have. So this again is a 4x4. I have stitching along the edges. I did use a scrap of solid colored paper, and I actually used solid colored paper throughout this album, but my solid colored paper was not from this collection. It was not from the summer collection. It was from a baby boy collection. Yes guys, my scraps were from Sweet Baby Boy by Lori Whitlock. It was that collection, but one side was yellow. I didn't use this blue side because obviously I didn't need to. It didn't go with this really. And I also had like a minty light colored solid as well. But yeah, it's from a baby boy collection, and this is all I have left now. So I had a little bit more before, used it in here, and I just thought it went together. And I happened to be thinking about it because I had just finished a baby boy album as well, so I knew I had that in my stash. It was like a nice little refresher. So the cover here says summer days, it says happy, it says sun. I have a cute little like ribbon closure here, and then these, although they look like enamel dots, these are actually Nouveau drops. I didn't have any white enamel dots that were this tiny, so I will link the Nouveau drops I used down below in the description box. I have a ton of them, guys. I have a whole wall of Nouveau drops, and I love them, especially when I can't find the right size of enamel dots that I need, because they look like enamel dots and they dry like puffy like that. They don't like flatten out, which is great because it's like an enamel dot. Then here's a spine, and then the back cover. I just did a little bit of paper piecing back here and added my logo. So this unties, and it looks like this when you open it up. It is adorable. Here I made this cute little pocket. My scrap was not big enough, so I added some gold here, and I think it works just well. Here is the background, little like ice cream trucks or food trucks, I guess, because I see a pineapple and I see ice cream. I also made this little like journal card using some scraps, and then this is a sticker from the sticker sheet that says good vibes only, and the inside just has like a white photo mat area or journaling area. Here I wanted to use another sticker, so this says relax. I got a little bit of you know, some pattern paper in the background. This flips open. You guys could see I had to do some paper piecing here because I didn't have a full enough piece, but this works out just as well. And sometimes paper piecing like this actually looks even better than just like a regular full one piece, you know? It just adds more detail to your album. Here is this paper, and then you flip, wait, this flips up, And there's one of my solid papers, like that minty color, and then just cute little ice creams. So that closes back up and magnetizes closed as well. Then the next page looks like this. Here I have a little like scrap kind of pocket that I did like that little ripping technique, and I added a little tag with some yellow scrap on the back. I just double matted it, and I stapled this little ribbon that I had in my stash, in my scrap stash. So I just stapled that on there because it matched with the colors. And then here I used another sticker and some yellow solid paper. And it says, "I do believe it's time for another adventure," with some roller skates. And this comes out just like that. You could add more in that pocket as well. And you have another scrap yellow piece with some patterned paper, and it looks like that. So when you tuck this back in, it goes like that. And obviously you could add more here. You could add a little photo there. You could add a photo to the back, like a larger photo, whatever you want to do. Oh, and guys, this is also available in my Etsy shop in case you guys are interested in purchasing this cute little summer mini album. I think it's absolutely adorable. So the link is down below where you guys can find it in my Etsy and all the other albums I have available and for sale. Then the next page here has a sticker that I matted onto some black cardstock, and I fussy cut around it, and I used it as a tuck spot, so I only glued the top piece. And this I had from the collection, just a little ice cream. So I just stuck that here with a white photo mat on the back, and it's my cute little like tuck piece. Then this is magnetized closed, opens up like this, have some paper piecing here, and another ice cream background. And then that just magnetizes. Then the next page, use some more stickers. I think the stickers added a ton in this album, and so did the solid paper I used. It just like made it more fancy, I don't know, more detailed. Here's a sticker that says "Cool in the Pool." This flips open and is magnetized. I have some of that mint paper here, and you could do journaling on here, which is fun, and then add a photo or whatnot, or you could add one photo, however you want to do it. Bathing suit background here, and it wasn't long enough, so I just added some other strip scrappy that I had, like these lines, I guess, another little strip of pattern paper with the lines. And yeah, I think that turned out really cute. Then here I have another pocket. I think this was from like one of the border sheets in the collection, and this worked out really well here because I just had like a scrap just big enough for that. And then I made another little like journal card with another sticker, and then this is another sticker that I just matted onto some black and stuck it on here. And then this opens up like that, and that is everything. So that is this whole entire summer mini album. I think this turned out so fun. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys do too. So check out the tutorial. I will link it down below in the description box. It's not exactly like this, but if you guys just learn how to even make the base and some ideas for pages, then you could kind of figure out what you want to make with your own scraps that are like small to make this, because my scraps were not big at all. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check out my shop in case you guys want to purchase it, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!